So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a split screen effect in iMovie. So the first thing you want to do is open up the iMovie app. On here you can start a new project. Underneath you can also open up one of the projects you already have. So once you open up here, you can click on the edit button and you can see some of the things you can set up on there. And you can go ahead and click the plus sign right here. Once you're there, if you want to create a split screen effect, you will need to add another project or another video. So on here, you can see moments, video, photos, albums, backgrounds, and so on. Go to video. Once you've chosen video, you will see the option plus play, so you can see a preview, or the three dots. If you click on the three dots, you can see here the options add as. You can see a cutaway, picture in picture, and split screen. So let's click on the split screen. So on here, you can see videos are being played side by side. So through here, on the left is the video and that original video that was the project. And on the right is the other video that I've added. Now it's quite dark, so you can't really see it, but it's really playing on the right side on here. And you can see that it's split screen. So it's split on the left and on the right. So you can even toggle that. You can maybe change it up a bit so it's cropped to some different ratios if you want, but it's going to be originally in split screen, and you can add any video with some other video in split screen by doing that I just showed you. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.